Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your Bitcoin with blockchain.com easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your Bitcoin using blockchain.com, begin by navigating to the blockchain.com website. Once there, click on the Get Started button in the upper right corner. You will see options for creating a new wallet. Select Create a Wallet to begin the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password to secure your wallet. Make sure your password contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your email and password, agree to the terms and conditions. You will receive a confirmation email. Open your email and click the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the blockchain.com site and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be taken to your wallet dashboard. To enhance your security, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Go to the security settings in your wallet. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device using an authentication app. After successfully setting up 2FA, you will need to verify your identity each time you log in. Now, let's secure your Bitcoin. Locate the Receive button in your wallet dashboard. Click on it to view your Bitcoin wallet address. This address is where you will deposit Bitcoin. You can share this address with others to receive Bitcoin. Additionally, if you have Bitcoin already, you can send it to this wallet address. To send Bitcoin, click the Send button in your dashboard. Enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to send. Review the transaction details carefully. Once confirmed, click Send to complete the transaction. To monitor your Bitcoin balance, simply return to your wallet dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.